Welcome. So in this lesson, we're going to be talking about intersecting lines and parabolas, which corresponds to exercise 3J of your textbook. So we're going to be finding the intersection points of lines with parabolas. This means to solve simultaneous and linear quadratic equations. The solution to simultaneous linear quadratic equations occur at the points of intersection, and that's what we're trying to find, the points of intersections. All right, let's now answer this question before us. Find the coordinates of intersection of the line this and this. So the line this and the parabola this. To answer this question, what you do is you set them equal to each other. So I'm going to write down it's negative 2x plus 4 is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 12. So I've just set them equal to each other. In other words, I've let the y equal to y. Because I know that y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. So really what I've done is I've taken that and I've put it into the y spot over there. Now it's just a matter of solving for x. So I'm going to move everything over to my right-hand side here. So I'm going to end up with x squared. I'm going to plus 2x over. That will be that. I'm going to minus 4 over. So that's going to be plus 8. Then the next thing that I'm going to have to do, because I'm solving for x, is I'm going to have to factorize this thing. So I need two numbers that I can multiply to get to 8 and that sum to get to negative 6. That's going to be negative 4 and negative 2. So it's going to be x minus 4, x minus 2, double check, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8, negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6. That works well. So that means x is going to be equal to 4 or x is going to be equal to 2. Now, this is the important part of this question. We can't stop there. We have found the x values for which the points of intersection occur, but do you see here how it says that we need to find the coordinates of the intersection? So that means what we're now going to have to do is find the corresponding y values. Now, the way that we do that is and I'll write this down, sub in x equals 4 into, and I could choose either of these. It doesn't matter which one I sub it into. They're both going to give me the same answer. But of course, you want to go with the easier one. So I'm going to do this one. All right, so if I do that now and I sub that in, I'm going to get y is equal to negative 2. I'll put 4 in there plus 4. That means I'm going to get negative 8 plus 4, which means I'm going to end up with negative 4. Therefore, I'm going to get 4 and negative 4 is my answer. So when x is 4, my y is negative 4. So that is one point of intersection, but we're not done yet. There's still another point of intersection when x is equal to 2. So here I've done the first one, but now I'm going to have to do the next one. So I'm going to go sub, that's a funny looking B, sub in x is equal to 2 into y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Y is equal to negative 2. I put 2 in there. Plus 4 is equal to negative 4 plus 4. It's going to be equal to 0. Therefore, when x is 2, my y is 0. And just like that, we've done it. We've got our intersection points. So after you've found the x values, you have to sub them in to one of the rules to get out the corresponding y values. Now, at the bottom of the page here, you have some CAS instructions. So this is how you could do it using the solving system of equations. And then you can also do it graphically as well. So let's get open our CAS and see if we can use our CAS to do what we're doing here. And hopefully we can find that these are, in fact, my points of intersection. So look at that. There is my CAS hiding away there. I'm going to come here and we're going to put in these values. So I'm going to go there. Oh, and do you know what I might go? I might go Control, Doc. I might go to the graphs page. And then we put in negative 2x plus 4. Then I'll hit Tab to bring this up for me. And then I'm going to put in my other one, which was, whoopsie daisy. If I move this over here, just so I can see it. X squared minus 8x plus 12. There it is right there. Okay, so once we've done that now, I now want to find the points of intersection. We can go Menu, we can go Analyze Graph, and we can go Intersection. And then you want to click, then kind of move your mouse over the first point of intersection. There it is, 2, 0, and that's what we found there. Hooray. Then go Menu, Analyze Graph, Intersection, and go from here to here this time, and 4, negative 4, that's what we found here. Important things to note here, just little things. When we're using the analyze intersection one, what you'll see is you can't go over two at once. So if you try to find them all at once, it won't work. You have to do one at a time, which, is annoying, but what can you do? That's just the way it is. So this is one way of finding the points of intersection. The other way to find the points of intersection would be to use this right here. So if we come over here, and now the way that you can navigate around like this, if you hit Control then up, you can then go from one to another. So I'm over here now. We could go menu, we could go algebra, we could go solve system of equations, and then we could go solve system of equations. We've got two things. We want to find if x and y, so that's all good there. And then we could type in what we have. It's y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. And then over here, we've got y is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 12. And then when we get that, we get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, or x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 4. Either of those ways work. You need to know how to do both and just be comfortable with how to navigate around on your CAS. All right, in the next part of this video, we're going to go through another question and also talk about some more CAS skills that you need. All right, I will see you then very soon.